Hey everyone, Sarah here from Blue Lotus Films. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create vertical videos in Adobe Premiere Rush. So as you know, vertical videos can be used in so many places, on TikTok, Instagram Reels, and in YouTube Shorts. So I'm starting to experiment with YouTube Shorts, and I'm always looking for creative ways to edit my videos using apps or desktop editing software. So I decided to do this tutorial for you on editing with Adobe Premiere Rush because it is so user-friendly. And no, this is not a video of me dancing. It's actually an animal video. So if you've been watching my videos for a while, you'll know that I'm a big animal lover. So be sure to stay tuned to the end of the video where I give you info on how to get a bit more exposure on your YouTube Shorts. So if you're new to my channel, hello and welcome. I share video production and video marketing tutorials on my channel for wellness business owners who want to increase their visibility, generate leads, and increase their income. Be sure to subscribe to my channel so you can get notified when I release new videos every week. All right, let's jump right into the demo. Okay, so here I am on Adobe Premiere Rush on my desktop, and I've already imported the clips on my Adobe Premiere Rush app. And the way that I've done that is just by hitting the Add Media button on my app on my phone so that I could get these clips off of my camera roll, right? Because most of the time, if we're shooting a vertical video, we're shooting it on our phone. So that's what's great about Premiere Rush is you can use both the app and the desktop application and they'll sync up in the cloud. Now, make sure you give it about 15 minutes to sync up in the cloud because you may notice that when you go to the desktop, it isn't yet available. So we're ready to go, and I know that I want to shorten this clip here. It's just a bit too long, and the way you would do that is just by dragging the handles on the clip, first highlighting the clip, making sure it's orange, and then just dragging either the beginning of the clip or the end, the head or the tail, as we say, and just making it a bit shorter. And then, of course, you can preview the clip by hitting play. The very first clip here, we can add a graphic. And the way that you would do that is just by hitting this icon on the upper right-hand side and add graphic. And then you'll see all of the templates that are available. And for this particular video, I like this title. So I'm just going to add it. And you'll see because I had that clip highlighted, it is now synced the title with this clip. You can see when you expand the timeline, I can now see the title is tied to this particular clip, which is really cool. Okay, so I do want to change the colors of this title here. And the way that I can do that, I want to see my tracks, and you'll see that you have this eye icon, and by hitting the icon, I can hide or unhide any track on our timeline. And I want to hide this video track just so I can more easily access this title right here. And so I want to go into this title, and I want to change the colors on it. So I'm going to highlight the clip in the timeline, and then you'll see it brings up all these options on the right-hand side so that I can actually alter the font, alter the style of the font, the text color, etc. And so what I want to look for, first of all, I'm fine with the font. I want to actually change the color. So I've got this coming up, our color picker, and I'm going to choose blue. That's usually my go-to color that matches my brand colors. So I've got the bottom rectangle color changed. Now I want to change the top. All right, awesome. So now I'm going to make this track visible, and then you can see that this does look good, you know, right on this little clip here. So the next little clip here of this bird, I don't know the name of this bird, maybe you guys do, but I'm going to add a different graphic here. Okay, so you can see I have this speech bubble highlighted, this graphic, and then on the right-hand side here, what I want to do is I actually want to remove this right shape. And the way you would do that is just by deselecting the shape color. You can see now it's disappeared. And then this speech bubble, which they're calling left speech bubble, I'm highlighting that, and then I can go in and change the text here. So I'm going to say, I feel so suave. We're telling people what the bird is feeling here. I want to be able to see it. It's hard to see at the moment. And then I want to bring up the font size. There we go. So then I'm going to want to bring it so it's right down on that bird. Nice. We're also going to want to put another type of graphic at the end here. So I'm going to go ahead and hit add graphic again, go into titles, and I know the name of this one. It's called dynamic callout. Okay, so I'm going to add this one. It is called callout text, simple clean callout. Now let's go ahead and edit the text. I want this text to come in right when we see the clip. So I'm going to go ahead and hide that clip again and access the graphic. And I want this graphic a little further towards the top of this video. And I'm also going to want to increase the size. So increase font size. It's a lot easier to see now. And then I'm just going to add my text here. And I'm going to say, life is better with friends. It's this really cute little clip of these turtles. Maybe they're not friends. Maybe it's the mom with its kid. The turtle is on the back of its parent. I don't know. But anyway, it's super cute, right? So we're going to now just finalize this. Just the last thing I want to do here is I want to add some transitions. So I'm going to start with the clip where I want to make a transition. I'm going to come over here on the right hand side and you'll see it's telling you what these icons are. You're going to want to go into effects, and transitions are under effects. And I like this white transition. Some of these wipes and the other types of transitions can look really cheesy, so I usually just stick with either dissolve, black, white, something really simple. So it's automatically going to add the transition to the beginning and end. So then I can just go to the next clip and add it. It adds it to the end of that clip and the next clip. So I'll just show you really quickly what that transition is going to look like if we're watching the end of the video here. We have the koi fish, and then we fade into this last little clip here. And you can see in the timeline that our video is right under a minute, and that's what we need. For YouTube Shorts, it has to be under 60 seconds. And so that's good. And of course, if you did want this on Instagram Reels, you're going to have to go ahead and edit it and make it even shorter. So this gives you a good overview of what you can do here. Of course, there's a few other things. If you wanted to, you could work with some of these color presets, or you could work in a more very refined fashion, doing a little bit more advanced color correction using the controls here. You can also work with the speed of your video. Lots of things you can do. And then the last thing you may want to do is add some audio. So you can find audio in the YouTube audio library and add that. You can actually do that in the YouTube editor, but if you did want to add it here in Premiere Rush, you certainly could do that. Thanks so much for watching this tutorial, everyone. Please like this video because it greatly helps out my channel by triggering the YouTube algorithm. And comment below and let me know what type of vertical videos are you going to be recording. And drop a link to your YouTube short because then we can look in the comments and check out your shorts and get a little bit more exposure for you. So stay tuned and subscribe to my channel because the YouTube Shorts app is now in beta. It is currently only available in India, but in a few months it's expected to become available. So I will make a tutorial if that is of interest to you. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more video production and video marketing tips every single week. Thanks so much for watching this video, everyone. Have a wonderful day.